Come watch and check out how I made this sharpening stone station here at Shop Dust. Well, that didn't turn out so hot. When I put my jig down, I used hot glue and ripped the laminate in the corner. When I tried to get it off, I didn't like the placement of the jig. It wasn't lined up right, and I went to take it off and busted the laminate. So I decided to move everything over one spot. I had enough material left over that I could just move everything over, and when I did that and went to drill my new finger hole, well, I went all the way through. I had set the depth, but I didn't lock it down, so mistakes will happen, and I'm starting over.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this? It was unbelievably painful.
So the idea here is to go from the coarsest grit to the finest grit to strop. No fuss, no muss. Pull it out of the drawer, spray them down with water, sharpen your tools, wipe it off, and put it back. No fuss, no muss sharpening stone station. If my stones are a little bit more convenient to get to and easy to get out, chances are I'll sharpen my hand tools a little bit more frequently. Got the idea from Paul Sellers. For those of you who haven't watched Paul Sellers, he's a woodworking instructor, uses primarily hand tools. I'll leave a link in the description below to his channel. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you guys like watching me screw around in the workshop, well, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. And with that, you guys keep working in the shop.